Hey friends, Sean O'Shea here with Kawai. I sure hope that you're finding these tips and tricks videos to be helpful, and be sure to let us know, if you have any specific areas of the pianos that you want us to explore. If you have any questions, that's why we're doing this. Hey, today I want to talk to you about a great feature, the audio input, specifically on the CP series pianos. That's the CP3, CP2, and the CP1 digital grand. First of all, what is audio input? Well, let me give you an example. Let's say that you're playing a song through your favorite tablet or smartphone or whatever the device might be. And you're playing that song, trying to play along, and you're listening to it through this teeny tiny little iPad speaker up here, yet your piano is using this big, beautiful stereo sound system. Well, audio input allows us to take the sound of this and send it into this, so it's all mixed together and really greatly enhanced. On the top models, the flagship CP1 and CP2, we have an audio input right in the front panel here. And we're going to use a little mini stereo jack. First of all, it's about 1/8 of an inch around, and just ask your store for a mini jack. And just to make sure that it's stereo, you'll see that it has 2 black bands that will imply that it's stereo as opposed to mono, and that will allow you to pick up both left and right channels from it. Plug into your device first, wherever your output is on that. Always the device first. And here's an important tip, safety tip if nothing else. Before you plug it into the piano, make sure that the volume is all the way down on the device. In fact, off on the device would even be better. Then, plug it in, bring the volume up little by little as you play the song, and then set it in relation to your keyboard playing at the level that's desired for you, that works for you. But what can happen is if you had been playing this iPad over on the sofa at full volume, and then you plug in here, man, it can really blow your eardrums out. So you need to be careful with that. Really important. Again, before you plug into the front panel here, be sure that you turn your volume down really, really low. Okay? So that's really easy, simple to get to, piece of cake. Now there is audio input on all 3 models. CP3, CP2, and CP1 have audio inputs, stereo jacks, on the back of the piano. Those jacks look like this. They're 1/4 inch size, and depending on the device, if you're using contemporary devices like iPad, smartphone, that sort of thing, you'll want to get a Y cable. They sell them in this configuration where it is that same mini stereo jack on one end and mono jacks left and right on the other end in a Y configuration. That will enable you to plug into the back of the piano. Not as convenient to get to, but one great advantage to plugging in back there on models CP2 and CP1 is that when you go to audio recording, any sound coming in through the piano will also be captured on your audio recording. If you're not sure what I'm talking about for audio recording, be sure to see our YouTube video on audio recording with the CP series, and that'll explain all of that. So as you can see, you have a lot of great options for getting your sound into your CP series pianos. And man, I keep calling this thing a creation station. It is just that. If you have any confusion or hassles on figuring out what cables you're supposed to get for which device and where you're supposed to plug it in, just holler at us. That's why we're here. That's why we're doing these videos. We want you to love your Kawai pianos as much as we do. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any other questions. See you soon.